Schmitty's Kettle Corn here. Today I have the anticipated popcorn cannon. I'm a little nervous because I've never used this, and it took a little time to set this up. I'll have to show you the directions. The directions were quite entertaining. They're in Chinese. They were not in English. It came in a box. And here, basically, what my thought process is on this is that as I throw this in with the seeds, I saw nobody put in any oil. So I'm imagining that with the heat, the pressure will actually pop the corn into the bag. And from there, they put a little bit of salt maybe over it. I've seen some people put salt inside here. Well, we're going to actually experiment and just figure out how to get the seeds to cook. And the other objective, of course, is to not blow ourselves up today. So this is our first time using this. I've seen probably several hundred videos of these already to where I'm maybe 80% confident that I can figure out how to use this. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and we're going to get going. Hit stop. So with here, I added a third of a cup, and then the next time I tried it, I actually added a half of a cup. This first time I thought that the regulator wasn't working because it's a cheaply made product, but the regulator worked fine, and it actually measures the PSI. I believe it measures the pressure of the popcorn. So with that, we have first tried the sterno or the burner from the stove, and then we used a blowtorch, and it didn't work right away. And so with that, after we started using the blowtorch, it worked within 3 minutes or so, or 5 minutes. It actually took a long time to actually get the popcorn to cook. And I've seen videos where it'll cook within a minute. Well, obviously these videos were edited, so here I fast forwarded our video to make it not so long. And it definitely took a learning curve from both of us trying to figure out how to pop this thing, and of course not blow ourselves up. And that was a big concern of us improperly popping it and then hurting ourselves. So the fact that we actually got it to pop after a couple tries was a success for us. And here we put it on here, and then just pretty much let it spin, and then let the heat rise. And eventually the heat actually let it in the meter there. It actually started rising. So that showed that after the second time we put the proper amount of corn in. And then next time I'm going to actually try to throw in a little salt. I don't know if that would make a difference in the speed of the cooking process. So we'll see how we can get better at this as time goes on.
You're there.
They're there?
You're almost there.
All right.
You're there.
All right. All right. Now we should be ready. I can actually feel this really hot now. And I actually smell the corn being cooking now. Do you smell it?
Mm-hmm. I did too.
Oh yeah, don't you hear the steam?
Yeah. It wants to be out so much.
Chase, Jaxie, warning shot.
I know, right? It's ready to blow.
Hey.
Ready? You got me?
Yep, I'm
All right,
nervous. Sound! False alarm.
It's on to, it's
Put your hand at the end of the lever.
Hmm?
Put your hand at the end of the bar when you go to pull it. No. Put the bar back on there.
All right.
Hold it from the very, very end
Oh,
to get the best leverage.
Whoa! That was pretty freaking cool. I guess we should have had more time to. We should probably release it a little bit faster because actually now that I heard this, there's actually a difference in this part here, where I heard the steam. Right, the steam that's probably burning the popcorn. So we really burned the shit out of the popcorn. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. It's a good thing I'm not serving this at a party or anything. I'll probably not be invited back. Yeah, so let's take a look at what the popcorn looks like. This is a great video. It's actually not too bad. It's actually look how different it looks versus what the kettle corn looks like. Actually, from a just a looks perspective.
Oh, that's so weird. I get this at the Amish market.
Right, and look at it's a fully round piece. Well, there you have it, folks. This is Schmitty's Kettle Corn here. We will be doing more of these videos here, and it's interesting what the puff corn looks like here. It's fully round. The shells are gone. And enjoy the video. And thanks for following, and thanks for watching, guys. This is Schmitty's Kettle Corn.